Well, breaking news coming in. There's a new twist in the Haryana political crisis. In the middle of the Lok Sabha election, dramatic developments have reduced the BJP-led state government to a minority in the Haryana Assembly. Now an ex-BJP ally demands a floor test. JJP's Dushyant Chautala has written to the governor. In fact, Dushyant Chautala has said BJP does not have the numbers. This, as the three independents withdrew support from the Saini government, and Chautala, as you know, exited the BJP alliance before Lok Sabha polls. Now, the ex-BJP ally has demanded a floor test. Dushyant Chautala has written to the governor saying that the BJP does not have the numbers. Gurpreet Singh Chinna will be joining us in a short while from now with the latest update as far as this new political twist is concerned. But in terms of the numbers and how they stack up, the Congress has 30 legislators and 3 independents now supported. If the JJP backs it, the Congress will have the support of 43 MLAs. This leaves 2 MLAs, one from Haryana Lok Hit Party and the other from INLD. But earlier as well, Dushyant Chautala had said the government, as in the BJP government, has lost the trust of the people. And Mr. Chautala had added that they will support a move to bring down the government. In fact, crucially, he also said the Congress has to decide if it will make a move or not. Now, the ex-BJP ally has indeed written to the governor saying that the BJP does not have the numbers. This after 3 independents withdrew their support from the Saini government. Reverting to how the numbers stack up, the 90-seat Haryana Assembly currently has 88 members. This actually means the majority mark is 45. The BJP has 40 MLAs of its own and was supported by 3 out of the 6 independent MLAs. This makes it 43, too short of the magic number. If we talk about the Congress, well, the Congress says it has 30 legislators and 3 independents now supported. So if the JJP backs it, the Congress will have the support of 43 MLAs. This leaves 2 MLAs, one from the Haryana Lok Hit Party and the other from INLD. But the JJP factor adding a twist to the Haryana political upheaval. The BJP's former ally had offered support to the Congress, but joining us for the latest update, my colleague Gurpreet at the moment. Gurpreet, what details can you share with us as far as this new twist in the Haryana political crisis is concerned? We know Dushyant Chautala has now written to the governor.
Well, yes, this is the latest development which we are reporting at this point of time. We have seen yesterday the former Deputy Chief Minister Dushyant Chautala, he has already extended his support to the Congress leader Bhupinder Singh Hooda, and he says Bhupinder Singh Hooda should make a claim to form a government. And Bhupinder Singh Hooda has already told the JJP Neta to write a letter to Governor of Haryana so that there should be floor test, and after that they will be able to understand how many members and how many MLAs do they have for proving their majority on the floor of the House. Today we have seen this letter which we are breaking at this point of time showing Dushyant Chautala, the former Deputy Chief Minister of Haryana. He has already written a letter to Governor saying the BJP government doesn't have majority at this point of time. And if we can talk about the political calculations, we all know after withdrawing support by these 3 independent MLAs, it has learned BJP has 43 number, and which required magic number at least 2 more MLAs. But now if we can go through the letter of this former Deputy Chief Minister Dushyant Chautala, he has already explained about each and every MLA, and somewhere down the lane he has already written that the government doesn't have majority at this point of time, and the Haryana governor, he can immediately call for the floor test. So let's see that how the Haryana governor is going to take a call on this issue, whether he is going to call the floor test or not. And yesterday when we talked to the Haryana speaker, Vidhan Sabha speaker, he says the floor test cannot be conducted because recently after taking over as a chief minister by Nayaab Singh Saini, this floor test had already been conducted. It requires at least 6 months. So let's see that what is going to be happen, whether the governor is going to
apologize. I'm
call
cutting
for
you
this
through.
floor.
We actually have a reaction from Dushyant Chautala lined up for our viewers. Listen in.
एक नया मोड़ आया है और 2 महीने पहले जो सरकार बनी थी, आज बहुमत में चली गई है, क्योंकि उनको सपोर्ट करने वाले 2 एमएलएस, एक भारतीय जनता पार्टी का, एक निर्दलीय ने इस्तीफा दे दी, और 3 एमएलएस इंडिपेंडेंट जो सपोर्ट कर रहे थे उनने अपना सपोर्ट विड्रॉ कर लिया गवर्नमेंट से, गवर्नर को लिख दिया। जननायक जनता पार्टी ने खुल के कहा है कि अगर इस सरकार के खिलाफ अविश्वास प्रस्ताव आता है तो हम बाहर से उसका पूरा समर्थन करेंगे, और इसके लिए महामहिम राज्यपाल को लिखित तौर पर भी हमने भेजा है और ये मांग करी है कि संविधान के अनुसार ये पावर महामहिम के पास है कि वो फ्लोर टेस्ट के लिए आदेश सरकार को दे और सेशन बुलाकर फ्लोर टेस्ट कराए। अब कांग्रेस ने ये कदम उठाना है कि क्या कांग्रेस के 30 और उनके सपोर्ट में जो विधायक हैं प्लस विपक्ष के और जो लोग आज भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार को बदलना चाहते हैं, वो ये कदम उठाए कि परिवर्तन के लिए, बदलाव के लिए, और जो सरकार विश्वास खो चुकी है उसको बदलने के लिए महामहिम को लिखित में भेजने का काम करें। से कल ही लिखित में महामहिम को चिट्ठी भेजी गई है जिसके अंदर ये मांग करी गई है कि संविधान के अनुसार फ्लोर टेस्ट कराया जाए। वो तो महामहिम राज्यपाल ने फ्लोर टेस्ट कराना है, और फ्लोर ऑफ द हाउस 44 का आंकड़ा पार करना, क्योंकि 88 विधायक है, 45 की सहमति लेना, ये इनकी सरकार का लक्ष्य रहेगा। देखते आने वाले समय में कितने विधायक इसके अंदर इनके साथ 44 में से मिले। मैं कहता हूं कि हॉर्स ट्रेडिंग जो हम सोचते थे बंद होगी, नए तरीके से भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने प्रदेश में चलाई है, मगर जब तक संगठन के आदेश होंगे, विप के आदेश होंगे, सभी विधायकों को उसको फॉलो करना पड़ेगा, और उसी के अनुसार जो प्रक्रिया है फ्लोर ऑफ द हाउस की वो चलेगी। सरकार बनी है, पिछले अविश्वास जो आया था वो मनोहर लाल जी की अध्यक्षता में जो सरकार थी उसके ऊपर आया था। आज नायब सैनी जी प्रदेश के नए मुख्यमंत्री बने, एक नई सरकार बनी है, और उस सरकार में बैठे 3 लोगों ने अपना सपोर्ट विड्रॉ किया है। तो ये तो अब महामहिम को देखना है कि नई सरकार के विरोध में संविधान के अनुसार ये ताकत महामहिम के पास है कि वो फ्लोर ऑफ द हाउस टेस्ट करा सकते हैं कि मेजॉरिटी सरकार के पास है या नहीं है, और अगर सरकार के पास मेजॉरिटी नहीं है तो तुरंत प्रेसिडेंट्स रूल प्रदेश में लगाना चाहिए।
Right, Dushyant Chautala had said the government has lost the trust of the people. In fact, he has said he will support a move to bring down the government. The Congress has to decide if it will make a move or not. Gurpreet is tracking the latest for us. Gurpreet, so far the Chief Minister has not elaborated on how the BJP plans to counter the threat to its government, right?
Well, we also try to get the calculation and the mathematics from the Chief Minister when we ask this question that how many numbers do you have at this point of time. He says we have all the numbers, and even we have seen the former Chief Minister of Haryana, ML Khattar, he has already given a statement saying that some of the MLAs, they are already in touch with the BJP netas. So as of now, if we can go by the mathematics and calculation, political calculation, it seems that BJP doesn't have majority. They need 2 more MLAs even to get majority. But at the same time, the letter which has been written by the Deputy Chief Minister, the former Deputy Chief Minister Dushyant Chautala, it shows that calculation, if all the opposition leaders, they are going to be united, they will be able to prove majority. And the Congress has 30 MLAs in the pocket, and that's why they had given first offer to Congress to go and ask and claim for forming a government in Haryana. So let's see that how the political equation is going to be changed. The BJP, even the Chief Minister and the BJP netas, they are very confident. They say we have all the numbers. So if there is any cross voting or not cross voting, that depends whether the Governor Haryana is going to ask for the floor test or not. That is the first step that needs to be taken if they are going to prove their majority on the floor of House. So let's wait for that moment. But as of now, we have seen the political development have been happening in the state of Haryana, and today one step had taken by the former Deputy Chief Minister Dushyant Chautala. So let's see that how the Governor Haryana is going to take a call on this letter which has been written by the former Deputy Chief Minister. Back
Of
to
course,
studio.
and we will, of course, revert to you once we hear from the governor. But in a significant remark, the Haryana Speaker had said that a majority test had earlier been conducted on the demand of Mr. Hooda and that there's no need to conduct another for 6 months. The Nayaab Singh Saini government had cleared a trust vote soon after he took over in March, right?
Well, yes, that is the legal lacuna and that is the legal point in favor of the government also. Because yesterday when we talked to Haryana Vidhan Sabha Speaker, he says that in the law there is a provision once this floor test has been conducted after at least minimum gap should be 6 months. And for the 6 months, we all know Haryana elections are after the Lok Sabha elections are going to be happen in the state of Haryana. So that legal way, it might be possible the government has already made up its mind that they have a legal lacuna in this floor test. But at the same time, we have seen the Congress netas and Congress leaders, they say they have a provision to approach Punjab and Haryana High Court, and they can also get direction from the Honorable Court that this floor test should be conducted because the government has already lost the majority. But it all depends that how they are going to chalk out political strategy and how they are going to work on their political strategy, whether they want the BJP government should fall in the state or the BJP is going to keep all the MLAs at their side so that the government should not fall. So all these depends that how the Haryana governor is going to take call, and after that the netas
Right.
and the opposition leaders are going to approach the Honorable Court or not. Back to studio.